swing was a good swing. It was just a little bit of what we worked on. I don't think your shoulders were quite matching up with your feet and your alignment. But that's okay. That's something that's going to take a little time in practice.
Yeah.
So now I know in your sheet that we filled out, or that I had you fill out before we started these lessons, you said mental game was something that you thought was important, and it was something that you don't really think you have much of a mental game, or you struggle with it.
It's not something I really think about a whole lot.
Yeah, and it is a very important part of the game, whether it's visualizing a shot, which that's actually what we're going to cover now, but it also can even cover your pre- and post-shot routines as far as thinking about why you hit that shot or what happened with it. But like I said, right now we're going to focus on visualization of a shot. And this is very important, and like I said, it takes patience, and it's something that's tough to really get a feel for. But what I want you to do is, when we're on the driving range and we're practicing here, I want you to be able to look out here and maybe even visualize a hole, like maybe a hole that you struggle with, or a hole that you like to play even. And I want you to be able to visualize and see the bunkering, the fairway, and I want you to pick targets. And as you're standing back here and seeing all this, I want you to be able to pick out a ball flight and what you want your shot to do. And what this is doing for you is, when you're picturing a ball flight and you have an idea of what you want to do in your head, it's going to be easier for you to get over the ball and make a more confident swing, because you've kind of transitioned and you've thought through what you're hoping to do. And that's my challenge for you with practicing. Is before you hit any shot, whether it's on the driving range or out on the course, I want you to always have take that time behind the ball and really focus on your visualization, what you want it to do, where you want it to land. I really think that'll be a key, and it will help you shoot some lower numbers.
Something to help me transition my practice here
over
to how I play on the course.
It'll make it an easier transition, and it'll just help you in all areas of the game.
Okay.
So go ahead and stand behind here, and I want you, like I said, to think of a hole, maybe a par 3, since you have an iron in your hand, and picture the green and the bunkering, and really get that clear. And then once you do that, I want you to pick out a shot shape and think of what